Have you ever come upon a furnace or an air handler where the blower motor isn't running? Today we're going to take a look at the Broad Ocean motor tester and how that applies for troubleshooting blower motors. Let's take a look. When you get the Broad Ocean motor tester, you will get it in a case and it's going to look just like this. You will have two wires that are going to be coming out the bottom of the tester. This is going to be 24 volts VAC. You will hook these wires up to the blower board, and that is how you power the tester. You will have some adapters that'll come in the kit. They're all going to have this connection port on it, which is going to plug right in to the tester. So on this one, we're working on a furnace. So with this motor, we're going to be using this adapter here. So essentially what you do is take your tester and you're going to plug the port in here. Just going to scoot this down a little bit. All right, so we have our tester plug here. What you will then do is go over to your unit and you're going to unplug the motor plug. This plug here is coming directly from the motor, and it's going to be labeled on blower motor plug directly on this blower board. What you will then do is plug the tester into here. You'll hear it click in. Then you'll take your 24 volt wires here, and you've got an RNC terminal directly on this blower board. So this is how we're going to power the tester. So we'll put black wire on C and red wire on R. With the 24 volts applied to the tester, you will have a power LED. This will just confirm that you do indeed have power. And on this tester as well, you're going to have an off, a low, and a high selection speed. Now, when you select low, for example, or high, you will also have a green LED that is going to be lit. This is going to tell you the horsepower of the motor. So on this one, we have a 1/2 horsepower motor. And with this tester, you're essentially taking the place of the board. So with this selector switch from low to high, you can hear the blower ramp up the speed. When you go back down to low, the motor should then ramp down. If the blower motor runs with this motor tester, your motor's fine. Odds are I either have possibly a blower board related problem, or I have maybe a connection issue, on a Molex plug or something of that nature. And that's how we determine whether we have a blower motor or possibly a blower board related problem. You can find more training videos at edgetechhvac.com.